So, okay, good morning to everyone. So, till now, we have seen the LCS. We are discussing about in the previous class about the LCS, longest common subsequence. And this LCS, we have already covered that what is LCS. Then LCS using recursion, we have seen the algorithm. And after seeing the algorithm, we prepared the tracing tree. Now, this is the diagram which is shown. This is the tracing tree. So through this tracing tree, we found the LCS largest common subsequence, which the value is 2. Now, how we perform this algorithm? Through tracing tree, we have covered that this tracing tree perform. And after that, we have said that this algorithm takes the exponential time. This algorithm takes the exponential time, and it has the its complexity is in the order of 2 to the power n. So this is how tracing tree we have performed. So in this recursion, the exponential, it is the exponential time taken algorithm, and its complexity is in the order of 2 to the power n. Now, if you see that LCS follows what? LCS follows top-down approach. Now, LCS in recursion follows the top-down approach. Though you can say that the value which we have put, and after putting the value, so that means in the last portion, we first put the values, then the after then 1 plus 0, so the value is become 1, and after them the maximum of 0 comma 1, for between them the maximum values, we take the value here, and from them the maximum values we have taken and we put the value here. So that means what? filling the value from bottom to up, filling the value from bottom to up approach. In this tracing tree, we have filled the values from bottom up approach. But though we fill the value from bottom up approach, but LCS follows what? LCS follows top down approach. The values we have put from the bottom up approach, but LCS mainly follows the top down approach. Now, the disadvantage we have said that if we see that in our example we have used some of the characters, only 2 3 4 characters, and using this 2 3 4 characters we have seen that the tracing tree size as much as big like this. So that means if the character we use more number of characters, then our tracing tree becomes more complex. It will have different branches and it will become more complex if we use more number of characters. So this is the problem for using LCS using recursion. And another thing is that there may happen same operations we are performing same operations in different branches. That is what you see, this operation, this operations, this and these operations are same. You see these operations and these operations are same. Though we are performing it into the different branches, but these are same. These are what? These are same. So that means what? Same things we are doing more number of times. So that means if number of characters increases, character increases, then the branches will be more. And same operations, it may happen that same operations we are performing one by one more number of times, the same operations we are performing. This may happen. So this is what? This is the memory wastage and also the time consuming. So that is the disadvantage of using LCS using our recursion. So how this problem can be solved? So if we follow memoization using memoization, we can do what? We can solve this problem. So that means what? Storing the result of the recursion, the result we get like this 1, 0, that is the result we get. So if this result can be stored in somewhere, that is called the memoization. So the memoization means it reduces the number of function call. So how it can be happened, we will see that. So how we can do this? Let's say in the memoization, this is what? This is our table. This is the table we created like this. The table is what? The table we have created this table. Now in this table, here A, B, C, D and null. That is what? The B string. In the B string we have written as a in the column, and in the rows we have written the A string. Now A string contains B, D, and this will be our null characters. So this will be the null characters. So for the A string we have this, for the A string we have these characters present, B, D and null. These are the characters present for the A string. Now what we will do, this total table first, it is there is no value present, the table is empty at first time. Then what we will do, we will put the values according to it. So that means first in the tracing tree, first A2 comma B4, in that time in A2 there is no character present, so null character, and B4 also there is null character present, so null, we get the value as 0. So A2 B4 means A2, this will be the A2 and B4, so the value we will put 0 here. Okay, so the value we will put 0 here. Then after that 1 plus 0, so the value which we will get, there it is 1. The value we will get here 1. So this value will be put here. Then first A2 B4. Sorry, A2 B4. So that means there the value will be put here. So the value will be put here first 0. Then from 1 plus 1, this is 1 comma 3. So next the value we will put 2 comma 1. The value will be put in 2 comma 1. It will be put as the 0 here. Okay. Same as that for A2. The next value is what? The next value is A2 B2. A2 B2, we have put the value here as 0. Then after that A2 B1. A2 B1, the value is what? A2 B2, the value will put as the 0 here. Next A2 B4, the value will put here as the 0. So in the last column we have put the values here. In the last column we have put the values. Then after that we will check. After that we will check. We will put the same values here again. One by one we will put the values here. So here it will be the value here we will put that A1 and this is 0. So here the value will put according to this according to this tracing tree, we'll put the values here. So if we put the values, then we will see that if this is the same our thing that we are performing more number of times here. One time if we put the values, then there is no need to put the values of the another operations that is on the different branches. So we do not have to put the values here. That means the same operations we have seen that this same operations we are performed. This same operations we have performed 2 times. This same operations, this is the operations, and this is the operations. So same operations we perform 2 number of times, but when we'll put the values in the table, then one time these values will be put into the table, one time these values will be put into the table. So there is no need to put the values, because already in the table these values is present. So we do not have to put the values in the table in the next time. So that's why this will reduce what? This will reduce the number of functions calls. This will reduce what? This will reduce the number of function calls. So that's why we use the memoization problems. Through memoization, we will reduce what? We will reduce the number of same operations. We will reduce the number of, in simple words, we can say that we will do what? We will reduce the number of operations. Same operations, we will reduce that. Okay. So this is what the memoization problem is. This is what our memoization problem. Okay. So this is one type of the LCS using memoization. And the last type is the solving using the dynamic programming. So how it can be solved using the dynamic programming? Now, in dynamic programming, you see, we can solve. Here we have written the first string, and this is our second string. So if you carefully look, we have used 1 here, but you may also use 0, 1, but I have used 1 here. So the same string which we have used for the recursion, which we have used for the memoization problem, same string we are using here. Only the index number I have changed. You see, only I have index number I have changed. Here I have written as 1, 2, and here also in the B string, the number it is written as 1, 2, 3, 4. So index number is different here, but the string is same. Now here also for the dynamic programming, the algorithm's operations will be if AI equal to BJ, sorry, AI equal to BJ, then LCS I comma J equal to 1 plus LCS I minus 1 comma J minus 1. And in the else part, if this condition is not true, then in the else part, it will be LCS I comma J and maximum of LCS I minus 1 comma J and between LCS I J minus 1. Between this, the maximum values will be chosen. So how we will do, we'll see that. So first, the A string. Here we will write the A string and here we will write the B string. You see in this table also, we have written that this is the B string and this is the A string. So we have written A string and B string here. And we have put the values, indexes here. So though we have not used 0, but in case of table, we will use the 0. So here you see 0, 1, 2, it is written. Here also it is written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we do not have used any index in 0 in our string. But though we do not use it, we will use it in the table. In the table, we will use it. So 0 row and 0 column. So 0 rows and 0 column, we will put what? We will put the values first, 0 here. So 0, 0 value will be put first 0, then and other field, the other field will be empty. In first time, the other fields will be empty. Only 0th column and 0th rows, we will put the value as 0. Okay. So next, what we will see, then first row and first column, we will check that. So here the value is what? It is B, and here it is value is A. So they are mismatched. So they are mismatched means we will compare this 0 and 0. So maximum will be what? The maximum will be 0 because they are mismatched. Here it is B, here it is A. So that means it is mismatched. So mismatch means we will see the previous row and previous column. So here in the previous row, it is what? The value is 0. And the previous row column, it is also 0. So 0 and 0. Diagonally, it will be checked. Diagonally, it is 0 and 0. So that means we will put the value as 0 here. After that, we will again check B and B. These are what? These are matching. B and B. Here also, the character is B in the A string. Here also, in the B string, the character is B. So they are matching. So they are matching means what? This will be maximum of 0, 0. The maximum is 0. And this formula will be executed. That means 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. So the value, it will become 1. Then again, the diagonally will be checked. So in the diagonally, it is B, it is C. So that means mismatch. So 1 and 0, between 1 and 0, the maximum value is what? The maximum value is 1. So we will put 1 here. Then again, here the character is B, and here the character is what? The character is D. So that means B and D, between B and D, this is mismatch. So mismatch means the maximum of these two diagonal, 1 and 0. What is the maximum? 1 is maximum. So we will put the values here. Clear till now? अभी तक किस कोई क्वेश्चंस है, समझ में आया?
सर एक बार
हाँ बोलो.
सर यही बॉक्स
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. तो मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम क्या करना पड़ेगा, जब ऐसे हमको 2 स्ट्रिंग दिया है, ठीक है, इस स्ट्रिंग में हम क्या किए, देखो इस स्ट्रिंग में हम 0 नहीं पकड़े हैं, ठीक है, ये डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग का कुछ रूल्स है, तो इसमें हम 0 नहीं पकड़े हैं. हम नॉर्मली क्या है, नॉर्मली 1 और 2, मतलब 1 से हम इंडेक्स स्टार्ट किए हैं, 1 से हम इंडेक्स स्टार्ट किए हैं. अब 1 से इंडेक्स स्टार्ट करने के बाद क्या हुआ कि 1 से जब हम इंडेक्स स्टार्ट किए तो इसमें भी हम बी डी लिखे, देन बी जो स्ट्रिंग था वो क्या है, उसमें वो ए बी सी डी है, और उसमें भी हम क्या है फर्स्ट 1 इंडेक्स से स्टार्ट किए। अब मुझे डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग में क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक टेबल बनाना होगा। तो फर्स्ट टाइम हम ऐसे एक क्या करेंगे, टेबल बनाएंगे, ठीक है। अब उस टेबल में क्या है, उस टेबल में हम फर्स्ट बी इंडेक्स लिखेंगे। अब देखो मेरा इधर 0 नहीं है, बट जब मुझे टेबल बनाना होगा तब मुझे 0 जो है उसको कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा। सो 0 1 2, तो इसका 1 2 था तो हम 0 लिख दिए, 0 1 2 ये लिखे। देन इसके लिए भी मुझे 0 कंसीडर करना होगा, तो इसके लिए हम 0 1 2 3 एंड 4 ये बनाए। तो अब हम उसको टेबल बना लेते हैं। उसको हम टेबल बना देते हैं, जैसे टेबल फॉर्मेट में ये दिखेगा, टोटल जो है ये टेबल फॉर्मेट में दिखेगा। अब मुझे क्या करना है, फर्स्ट 0 जो है 0 कॉलम एंड 0 रो, उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, उसमें हर जगह हम 0 बैठा देंगे, 0 कॉलम एंड 0 रो, उसमें हम फर्स्ट टाइम 0 बैठा देंगे। ओके, देन मेरा बी डी का था 1 एंड 2 में, सो वी विल राइट हियर बी एंड डी, और इधर हम लिखेंगे ए बी सी एंड डी, ठीक है। अब इसमें क्या है देखो, मुझे अब क्या है, मुझे ये दिया हुआ है टोटल जो मेरा एल्गोरिदम है। अब इसमें क्या है, मुझे चेक करना है कि डायगोनली, डायगोनली मुझे चेक करना है कि सेम है क्या नहीं। इफ कैरेक्टर्स आर सेम देन वी विल पुट दिस 1 प्लस एलसीएस i माइनस 1 कॉमा j माइनस 1। सो हम फर्स्ट स्टार्ट चेकिंग करेंगे, क्योंकि 0th कॉलम एंड 0th रोज में हम 0 बैठा दिए हैं। ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर। तो इधर क्या है मेरा, इधर मेरा बी है, इधर मेरा कैरेक्टर से बी, बी और ए, इधर क्या है कैरेक्टर ए, बी एंड ए आर सेम, मेरा सेम नहीं है बी एंड ए, तो मतलब क्या है मिसमैच। अब मिसमैच जब होगा तब मुझे क्या वैल्यू बैठाना होगा, मैक्सिमम ऑफ दिस टू डायगोनल्स। नाउ इस डायगोनल में क्या है, 0 है, इसमें भी क्या है 0 है, so 0 and between this 0 and 0 the value we will put what, maximum is 0, that is the next बी, और इधर भी क्या है मेरा बी, तो बी और बी मतलब मैच हुआ। तो मैच होने का मतलब क्या है, 1 प्लस एलसीएस आई माइनस 1 कॉमा जे माइनस 1, सो दैट मीन्स 0 एंड 0, दिस टू विल बिकम व्हाट, द वैल्यू विल बिकम 0, एंड 1 प्लस 0, 1 प्लस 0 मीन्स 1, तो हम इधर 1 बैठा देंगे। Then next B, and here the value is C. Here the value is C. So B and C, this is what mismatch. So 1 and 0 between them, what is the maximum? 1 is the maximum. So we will put here 1. Then B, here the character is what? The character is D. So between them, B and D, that means mismatch. So mismatch means we have to put the maximum values. So this is 1, this is 0. So between them, what is the maximum? 1 is maximum. So we will put 1 here. Okay, clear? समझ में आया?
यस सर।
अभिजीत, अंकित, so next Same for this character also we will check. Here the character is what? The character is D, and here the character is A. So between D and A, this is mismatch. So mismatch means what? We will check this 0 and 0. What will be the maximum? This is also 0, this is also 0. So 0 and 0, the value will put as 0. Maximum is 0. So we'll put here. Then here it is D, and here it is, the value is B. So D and B, that means mismatch. So mismatch means what? Again, we will check between them. What is the maximum? 0 and 1 between them. What is the maximum? The maximum is 1. So we'll put 1 here. Then it is D, and this character is what? This is C. So between D and C, this is mismatch. So that means mismatch means we will have to check what is the maximum value. So here it is also 1, here it is also 1. So that means maximum is 1. So we will put here 1. Then again, this is D, and this is also D. So that means what? These two are matching. So matching means what? We have to check the maximum values between 1 and 1. The maximum values is 1. And if the match is occurred, that means 1 plus this. So 1 plus 1, the value will get as 2. So this is how the table will be prepared. This is how the table is prepared. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, the table is prepared. So now in this table, you see, same as that in the recursion. In the recursion, the value we get in the recursion, that what is the, after performing, the value we get in the tracing tree, maximum values, that is, you see, 2. The maximum values I get, that is the 2 here. So using dynamic programming also, you see in the dynamic programming also, we get the maximum values. We get the maximum values is as a 2. So this 2 is the maximum. Now, how we know that what is the sequence? What is the largest sequences, longest sequence? So for knowing that, we have to perform a task. So we have to do what? We have to put some characters there. Now the maximum value we get what? The maximum value we get 2. The maximum value we get 2. Now in this 2, what the character is present? I have not you were able to hear. So it is, are you my are you able to hear my voice?
No, sir.
Now, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some net issues, and that's why this problem happened. So the thing which we
Your voice is not
are
coming properly.
not coming. Now it is coming.
Yes, sir.
Now
No.
it is
Buffering, sir.
the main thing is
Your voice is not audible.
our total the value, the total, the maximum. Okay. Is my or is not or hello.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
Oh, so the minimum